Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. At what rate percent per annum will the sum of 10,000 dirhams amount to 11,449 dirhams in 2 years, compounded annually? So for compounding annually, we know we find amount by using following relation. Amount equal to principal multiplied by 1 plus r by 100, which is rate, to the power t, which is time period. In given question, we are given that principal is 10,000 dirhams. Amount is 11,449 dirhams. Time is given as 2 years. We have to find rate, that is r. So we simply put given values here. 11,449 equal to 10,000 multiplied by 1 plus r by 100 to the power 2. So what do we have? We have 11,449 equal to 10,000 multiplied by 100 plus r whole square divided by 100 square. So 100 square and 10,000 get cancelled out because 100 square is 10,000. So we get 100 plus r whole square equal to 11,449. So in order to take square root here, square root on both sides, what we have to find square root of 11,449. So let's see. We can use long division method here to do that. 449, we start with right side and this is the grouping. Let's see, 1 1 plus 1, add below, multiply above. So we get, let's see, 1. So this is 0. Next group comes down, 14. So we will use 0 here, 0. So we get, we add below, multiply above. So we subtract 0 from here. Next group comes down, 49. Let's see. If I put 7 here, 7 sevens are 49, 7 twos are 14. We add below and multiply above. So what we get? 1449. Subtracted, we get 0 here. So 11,449 is perfect square of 107. So we get 100 plus r equal to 107. We get actually two values, plus and minus, but this is rate which cannot be negative, so we consider only positive value. So we get rate is equal to 107 minus 100, which is equal to 7. And this rate is already in percent per annum as used in this relationship. So answer is 7% per annum.